Hey, everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my Amazon for Beginners YouTube channel. So, on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do manual product research using the strategy called Storefront Stalking. So, before I start, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to post the link below. And that way, you guys can join the group, um, learn Amazon for free, and also connect with other Amazon sellers. So, yeah, Storefront Stalking, manual product research. So I usually start this process by picking one Amazon product, right, like this, and then I'm using Seller Amp. So you usually scroll down to the other sellers, and then I like to pick sellers with I want to say like 200 reviews or less, because I know that seller is most likely doing online arbitrage or retail arbitrage, which is the same style that I'm doing, right? So yeah, so I would pick maybe this guy right here or this seller right here. And then what I like to do is I go look at his product or this person's products, right? And then I go open up the Amazon listing and then open up Google Shopping. So what I would do is I would storefront stock, right? Meaning I'm gonna stock other seller stores, and then I'm gonna go through each one of the products, and then I'm gonna look for the supplier of each product. So yeah, so for this one, I usually go to Google Shopping, and then I usually look at the max cost of the product, meaning this is the max cost of the product from your supplier's website to match your ROI and profit that you prefer, right? And that makes it easier. So I usually start looking at this the product, right, and then I look at the numbers. So if I don't see a product at least like $4 or 61 cents or less, I would just skip it, right? So I think it's this one, but then again, this one's priced at $15, so I would skip it. So I usually look at the number $4, and if I don't see it, I just skip it, right? So this one is a skip. Let's see, max cost, okay. So to keep it easier too, I would pick products with a max cost of maybe at least I would say like $10, right, to make it easy. So this one is max cost is 17. Let's see. Fair Life Nutrition Plan, okay. Pack of 12. So max cost is 16.45. Let's see. I'm not seeing anything lower than $16. 16 or less. So this one's a skip. So again, I'm looking at the max cost, and I'm looking for products that are at least $10. This would do 9.48. Let's see this one. So this one's a pack of two, 9.48. No, I'm not seeing it either. Okay, skip. Let's keep going down. List. This one I already looked at, so we'll skip that one. Let's try this one, the Starbucks one. Let's see if we can find this one. So the max cost of this product is where is it again? So $22, right? So it's a decaf house blend, 60 pods. Okay. Max cost $22. Not seeing it. 22 or less. This one is not it. Could this be it? Oh, 24. Okay. No, it's not. No, it's not. Yeah, product research takes a lot of time, guys. So this is why I recommend having a virtual assistant do product research because it's very like time consuming. But for the new sellers, you guys really don't have the resources, right, to delegate and outsource. So, and that's why I'm doing this video to show you guys how to do it manually. So for this one, the max cost is $20. Let's see, breakfast blend. $60 pods, and the max cost is $20. It's the one. No, it's not. It's the one. Breakfast blend, 60 pods. No, I'm not seeing this either. This one, no, it's not. Yeah. This one I can't find either. But I hope you guys got the point, right? Or the step by step on how to do storefront stalking, manual product research. So again, you start with an Amazon listing, and then you guys go to Seller Amp, and then you go to the bottom of the listing and look for sellers. I usually go for sellers with, like 200 or less ratings because they're most likely doing arbitrage like me. And then once I pick a seller, I go through the seller's products one by one, and then I do a reverse search on each product using Google Shopping. And then once I find the product, I can buy the product from my Amazon store, right? And I hope you guys get value from this. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to post my link below, and that way you guys can join, learn from other sellers, and also learn from me on how to sell on Amazon. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.